In every student's journey, academic success depends on many factors, like study habits, motivation, time management, and family support. But what happens when these factors are neglected? And what happens when they are practiced properly?
Nag-gusto tayo mamaya. Ano ba? Bibigyan ka na. Kung gusto mo mag-review, maglalaro na muna ako. Yes, sir. Ibigay na rin. Ilito ko ako sa nagsasabi.
Bakit ganito? May kababanok ba ako? Hindi ko na yata siguro kaya ang maritime course na to. Wala na yan. Magbabago na ako. Magre-review muna ako bago maglaro.
With honor. Iglesia Diaz. Because success doesn't just depend on luck. It depends on how you build it.
The determinants of academic success, like study habits, time management, motivation, and family support, can make or break a student's performance. So, choose the right path, stay focused, and work hard for your dreams.